Our world is a wonderful place, full of amazing things. From high mountains to deep oceans, there's so much to discover. Learning about our world helps us understand where we are. It helps us understand different cultures and animals. Most importantly, it helps us appreciate our beautiful planet Earth. Let's go on an adventure. We'll learn about continents, which are like giant puzzle pieces making up our world. We'll dive into the big oceans and seas. Get ready to explore the hottest and coldest places on Earth. Are you excited? Let's begin. Imagine our world as a giant puzzle. Each continent is like a big puzzle piece. There are 7 continents in total. The biggest continent is Asia. It's home to the tallest mountain in the world, Mount Everest. Africa is the second largest continent. It's known for its incredible wildlife, like lions and elephants. North America is where we find countries like Canada and the United States. South America is famous for its rainforests. Europe is connected to Asia. It's home to many different countries and cultures. Australia is a continent and a country. It's known for its unique animals like kangaroos and koalas. Lastly, we have Antarctica, a very cold and icy continent. It's home to penguins and seals. Oceans are like giant pools of salty water covering most of our planet. There are 5 main oceans: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern and Arctic oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the biggest and deepest. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest. The Indian Ocean is known for its warm waters. The Southern Ocean surrounds Antarctica. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and coldest ocean. Seas are smaller than oceans and are partly enclosed by land. Some examples are the Mediterranean Sea, the Caribbean Sea, and the South China Sea. These oceans and seas are home to a fascinating variety of sea creatures. The coldest places on Earth. Did you know that some parts of our planet are always covered in ice and snow? These places are located at the very top and bottom of our Earth. At the top we have the Arctic Circle. At the bottom we have the Antarctic Circle. These circles are imaginary lines around the North and South Poles. They are the coldest places on Earth because they receive very little sunlight. The sun's rays hit these areas at a low angle, spreading the heat over a larger area. This makes it very cold. The hottest places on Earth, just like there are very cold places, there are also very hot places on Earth. The hottest places are found near the equator, an imaginary line circling the middle of our planet. Near the equator, we have the Tropic of Cancer in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn in the south. These are imaginary lines too. These areas are hot because they receive the most direct sunlight throughout the year. The sun's rays hit these areas at a high angle, concentrating the heat. As you move further away from the equator towards the poles, the climate becomes colder. This is because the Earth is tilted on its axis, and different parts of the Earth receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. Understanding the equator helps us understand why different parts of the world have different seasons.